Happy 60th birthday, Marian. May God bless you with health and happiness in the years ahead. Thank you for being an affectionate niece and keeping in touch regularly. Wishing you all the best. Bye, Marian.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marian. Happy birthday to you.
Congratulations on turning 60.
May you
Have many more.
May you have many more. Happy birthday, dear Marian. Happy birthday to you.
Congratulations on your 60th birthday.
She's 60 years old.
Happy 60th birthday, my darling Marian. We have to remember that a month and a half back, we celebrated 30 years of married life. God bless you abundantly.
Hi mom, wishing you a very happy diamond birthday. 60 is definitely very special. It's unfortunate not to be able to plan anything, nor being able to be there with you to celebrate in person. But I hope that this virtual love from family and friends makes your day. You have been an inspiration to many of us in a lot of ways, from waking up at, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning just to complete your chores and make sure that the day is set up perfectly for the rest of us, to your cooking. And it's something I'm absolutely craving for right now. It's almost a given that each time I come down, I put on at least 6 to 8 kgs, which never happens otherwise. I love the enthusiasm you show for attending as many family functions as you can, which is amazing. Of late, I've also been very impressed with you wanting to learn and try out new things, becoming very tech savvy in the process. From attending yoga classes online to trying new recipes, and most recently creating videos for almost every occasion. So I think it's only apt for us to do this for you today. Couldn't thank you enough for everything you've done for Jason and me. So I wish you the best year yet, with lots of good health, peace, and loads of smiles. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Hope you have a nice day and can't wait to taste your yummy cake and the delicious food you made on your birthday. Anyways, hope you have a nice day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hello, Marian. Here's wishing you a very happy birthday, 60th birthday, Diamond Jubilee. Wow, you're not old, you're still young. You're 12 years old for the fifth time. I still remember how cute and chubby you were. We all felt like pinching your cheeks. Not that you've lost your cuteness or your chubbiness. All God's blessings on you and your lovely, charming men, Selwyn, Julian, and Jason. Thank you for the lovely, affectionate sister that you have always been for me. We always had each other with our frequent, though we are far away, we always kept each other company with our frequent video chats. Now, although we are not with you on your birthday, remember we are always with you in spirit. Only thing we will miss your yummy cakes and delicacies. Another bond that we share is that you're the godmother of my son and the mother of my godson. So have a wonderful day have a wonderful day, dearest Marian. You have been so thoughtful, kind, caring, sharing, and all. So we wish you all luck, all happiness in the years together. So I love you, Marian. Happy birthday, my darling Marian.
Oh, really nice. Happy birthday, Marianne. God bless. Have a wonderful day.
Happy, as Bernie said, you're going to be 12 years old for the 5th time. Enjoy your day and cheers to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marian.
Congratulations on your 60th birthday. May you have a very happy birthday and a fantastic year ahead.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marian.
Hi, Godmother. First of all, wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday with all God's choicest blessings, good health, and happiness. I admire you for the fact that you are a seriously strong lady who has brought up two young, handsome boys almost single handedly, as well as managing all the housework as well as work outside so perfectly. I cherish the bond that we have formed over the past years by frequent video calls and talking whenever we have free time. And this bond will go a long way. I miss the summer vacations spent at your place and your pork and sannas, which you would definitely make for us every time we used to visit your place. I would definitely love to be present on this occasion, but unfortunately can't. But nevertheless, Auntie, keep the spirits high. Have a glass of wine on behalf of all of us. Enjoy your day and we'll be meeting soon. Cheers, Auntie.
Dearest Marian, congratulations on your 60th birthday. Welcome to the 60s. Life is great now and is only going to get better as the years go by. You are truly a very wonderful and special person, and we thank God for the great gift of you in our lives. Thank you too for being a wonderful and caring sister to all of us. You are so caring and loving, kind, thoughtful, compassionate, and helpful to all in need. Recently, you made those videos for both Alan and Dilip, which really showed your good heart, and it was really so impressive that you took the trouble to learn something new, which we are very touched with, and we are so proud of you. It's also wonderful the way you keep in touch with our large PG family, with your visits for weddings and funerals, and also you keep in touch through WhatsApp or even phone calls and Facebook. You are a master chef, and with all your baking and culinary skills, with all the various delicious dishes that you make, your cakes, pies, tarts, quiches, and all the different beef curries, pork curries, which we have all enjoyed in the past, and also all your friends and neighbors whom you are so generous with and give them from time to time. They are all really lucky to taste all this delicious food, and of course your family, who I'm sure look forward to every meal. You're also a very good seamstress, and which you made frocks, and also you make dish pads, aprons, which you give all of us. And it's really impressive how you keep in touch with all this, and you continue to better yourself at all these skills. You're also very particular about your exercise and your fitness, and over the last few years you have always been going for walks, and now even with yoga you keep your mind and your body also fit. Last but not the least, I would say the most important, you always put your trust in God, you are faithful to Him, and you are so religious with your daily mass, navenas, and all your prayers. So finally, Marian, I would like to say on this your 60th birthday, a very happy birthday, love from all of us, and I also would like to read this special blessing. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe. May His face shine on you and give you grace. May He lift His countenance on you and give you peace. So have a very happy birthday. Enjoy all your years ahead with all the loving and caring of your family and friends around you, and you make the world a better place, and I'm sure that you also will in turn enjoy the love of all your family and friends. Thank you.
Dearest Auntie Marian, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. I think my mother spoke for really long and she's covered more than what I can say. So I echo her sentiments and I wish you all the best. Have a great birthday and have a great year ahead. See you. Happy birthday again.
So they say sweet 16,
And to my sweet sister, let me say, sweet 60. We are here to wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marian. 60! You've become old. I always think of you as a young, fun-loving... What else? Ice cream eating. What else?
Good cook, Sannas.
Good cook, son. Oh gosh, so much of food. Don't eat too much, Marian, but enjoy. And hopefully the 60th year is a really good year for you.
And Marian, really wishing you a wonderful year. We should have been having this great big 60th celebration. You know, the Tamilians, I'm told, celebrate it like a wedding. So after COVID, we will still have that 60th big party, right? And I can't, when I'm wishing you.
Mommy and Daddy just whispered.
Huh?
Wish her from us also.
Okay.
Wish her from us also.
Yes.
I heard. Good. You were busy talking.
Yes, you have good hearing now. So, Marian, I can't but remember our young days of growing up when you were ever so organized. You still are. You used to start packing Christmas presents in June, and all the many habits you have of waking up early, being so organized. You're quite marvelous, and may God continue to bless you. Especially appreciate your learning new skills, even at the young age of 60, learning to do videos. Teach me many things to learn from you, including making sanas, but it's easier if you just make them and give them to us to eat. So I wish I had a glass to raise a toast. Didn't think of it earlier, but on your birthday, I'll have a drink in your honor. Lots of love, prayers, blessings, good wishes. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marian. We miss you and we hope you're having a lovely birthday and that soon you'll be able to go out and enjoy yourself over there. We always think of you whenever we go out for ice cream or try some new yummy flavor of ice cream, and we hope that soon you'll be able to come back to Bangalore again and we can enjoy those new flavors together. We wish you all the best and may God bless you and have a lovely year ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marian. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Marian. God bless you on this your special day with lots of love. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, dear Marian. Wishing you all God's choicest blessings. Have a great and an awesome day and a spirit-filled year ahead.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Have a great day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, Marian. A very, very happy milestone birthday. May God bless you abundantly and may you be filled with love, joy, peace, good health and laughter. You have been a very thoughtful person, and whenever you go out to visit anyone, you never go empty-handed. You always carry something, especially your homemade delicacies. Ever since the lockdown has started, you have been taking part in a lot of novenas and prayer services. I pray that God hears your prayers and grants all your desires. Take care and stay safe. Love you.
Happy birthday, Marian.
Have a lovely year ahead. May God bless you with good health.
And may you have many, many wonderful years and many, many wonderful birthdays in the many years to come.
And looking forward to spending the next birthday with you and with lots of love from all of us here in Singapore. God bless.
Happy birthday, Marian. All the very best. God bless you.
60 years is a landmark. Till your next landmark, may your life be full of blessings. Many, many happy returns of the day. All the very best, Marian.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marian. Wishing you on your 60th birthday. Have a great year ahead. God bless you from all of us.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Big happy birthday from the smallest in our family. And you've been a very, more than an auntie, you've been a very good friend to me, Mummy and all of us. Very happy birthday, Auntie. With lots of love from us.
Marian,
wishing you a very happy diamond birthday, to be followed with good health and happiness in the years to come. We always admire your spirit in bringing up the boys, with Selvin far away, providing for the family. Julian is a tribute to yours and Selvin's spirit and will blossom in his budding career. We are sure Jason will follow in his footsteps.
Having a mother like you is a beautiful blessing to your two sons. We recollect and appreciate your visits over the years, coming all the way from the other end of town. We also relished your Xmas goodies on our visits. Once again, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday, dearest Marion. May you be blessed with happiness, good health, peace and prosperity. Love, Trevor and Ottie.
Our dearest Marion, it is with great pleasure and thanks to Almighty God that we are wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday. May you be blessed abundantly in the many, many more years to come with good health, happiness, and everything that your heart holds dear. Marion, Mark and I remember with such fondness the time we visited your place a couple of years ago, and the lovely chat that we had, the lovely time we had with you and Selvin and the little one, and of course thoroughly enjoying the delicious cake and other snacks that you so warmly made for us. I really love your zest for life and your zest for get-togethers. Keep going, Marion. May you have a wonderful future with Selvin always by your side. And Marion, I look forward to you visiting us soon as the COVID restrictions are lifted. Be happy always. Mark and the children join me in wishing you a blessed 60th birthday. Lots of love, lots of kisses, and lots of prayers from all of us. See you soon. May you live to be 100. May you live to be 100. May you live to be 100 years and more. Happy birthday, Marion. Happy birthday, Marion. Happy birthday, dear Marion. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless and keep you, whether near or far away. That's my prayer for you, Marion.
Hi everyone. On behalf of my family, Francis, Prashant, Mara and little Margot and myself, I wish Marion a very, very happy 60th birthday. The first thing that strikes me about Marion is her gullibility. Ready to believe whatever she's told, her naive reaction to the things she hears is quite amusing. I'm sure her children Julian and Jason would have taken full advantage of her gullibility. The only person who believes Julian's stories about his girlfriends must be Marion. She's also very clear in her mind about things she wants to do, like driving a scooter. During one of our visits to Chennai, she made Francis her driving teacher. Both of them will be going up and down the East Circular Road, much to the amusement of Anita. By the time we came back to Chennai next year, Madam Marion was already a veteran driver. Marion is also a good cook, but of a special kind. Like rishis of olden days, Marion gets up at Brahma Muhurat, 3 o'clock in the morning. Rishis to meditate and Marion to cook. After quickly finishing her cooking, she'll go back to sleep till the children wake up. Now I hear that she, along with her other sisters-in-law, finds some time to do yoga after all her cooking. I'm sure she'll find many more of such avenues to keep herself healthy and busy. Thanks to Marion, Selvin is enjoying his retirement and leisure, occasionally complimenting her cooking. Happy 60th birthday, Marion.
Congratulations, Marion, on your 60th birthday. It's hard to believe you're 60. We've grown up
and spent a lot of fun times together right from our childhood. I cherish all the memories, the affection that you've shared with me and the family down the years. I wish only the best for you today and always. Lots of love. God bless.
Happy birthday, Marion. Thank you for all the fun times and happy memories while we were at college. I'm so happy we managed to get in touch again after all these years. God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Marion. Have a wonderful day. I just can't believe you're 60.
Hello, Marion. Happy birthday. This very happy to actually talk to you through this video. Long time we have not met. Had Ashwant continued in Don Bosco, then I think we would have been more in touch. I'm really happy that now we have found all the other girls also. So let's have fun once this COVID situation is over and we are back to normal. We can get together and have fun. In the meanwhile, enjoy your birthday with your family and friends, whatever. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Marion. I know you love flowers, so I'm doing it from my sunflower garden. I remember you as a very studious and soft-spoken and gentle and kind girl at school, and I hope we all can meet together soon. Happy 60th and wishing you a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. May God bless you with good health, wealth, peace of mind and prosperity always. Bye.
Hi Mariam, happy to wish you this special day of yours. Before I wish you a happy birthday, let me first thank our Lord Jesus Christ for giving such a long-standing friendship between us from 16 years to 60 years. Both of us have been in constant touch with each other. So, wishing you a very happy birthday and many more years of our friendship.
Hi Marion, happy birthday. It's really amazing, and after such a long time we are in touch again. Really nice to be with you and all that. When I think of you, I think of our college days where we used to sit together, go for catechism class, we used to go for our French class together. Somehow whenever I think of my French, especially in my college days, how I struggled, I think of you and all that. You people did from Good Shepherd itself French, but I did only from my +2. So we used to think when I think French and all that, I think of you and all so many things, memories are there, but now we can't keep saying, but then we must meet once again and talk back all our memories, all our school days and college days. Bye Marion, once again wish you a very very happy birthday. Stay blessed, stay safe till we meet again.
Hi Mary, happy 60th birthday. May God shower His blessing for long life, happy and peaceful life as well strength. Thank you.
Hello Marianne, happy birthday to you. Entering into the senior citizen club, wishing you a new life afresh.
Hello Marianne, happy birthday to you. It's nice of your family to arrange to spring a surprise on you, and I'm sure you would not have expected me to be in this group. Wishing you a very very happy birthday. I still remember in 1980 you had written in the autograph that Sujata, I hope that our friendship will not die out, and it's so nice to reconnect with you after so many years. Probably I've come back into your life to wish you a very happy 60th year and many more years to come. God bless you. Bye bye.
Hi Marian,
I'm so happy and excited to wish you on your 60th birthday. I'm so thankful to God in having you such a wonderful, reliable and open friend. I want to wish you, according to Psalm 115 verse 15, may you be blessed by the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Nice day, Marian. Have a good day. Bye.
Hello, Marian. Wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday. As you step into the senior citizen zone, I pray God to shower His choicest blessings on you in the form of health, peace, untold joy, and bliss. Marian, it's almost 40 years since we met, but the moment I think of you, immediately the image, nicely well pleated skirt with two cute ponytails besides your ears, come to my mind. I've always liked your innocence, Marian, and it seems you have not changed over the years. Normally, with age, people shed their innocence, but you have not. I could make out from the messages. Keep it up. As Geeta says, most of us will be turning 60 next year. Hope we all get together, meet, and have a blast. All the best, Marian.
So I'd like to thank everyone who took time off your busy schedules to record your wishes for Mom. From what I understood, it was a first for many of you, so I really appreciate the efforts taken. May God bless you all. Bye.